ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like responses and can perform a wide range of tasks such as answering questions, writing content, summarizing information, coding, and more. It's designed to assist users in both casual conversation and professional tasks across various fields. In this short video, you will learn how to start using ChatGPT as complete beginner. First, to access ChatGPT website, you can type chatgpt.com into your internet browser. You can start using ChatGPT right away by typing your question or request into the main box in the center of the screen without creating an account, but it is not suggestible because it will have a limited capabilities such as lack of customization or conversation history. Therefore, you must consider using it without logging in emergency situations or if you need a quick response. So, you must create an account to access it in a proper way. You create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button from the top right corner of the screen. Type your email and password or use one of the email providers such as Google or Apple. After creating and confirming your account, you can log in and start using ChatGPT with its full features. As mentioned earlier, the main purpose of the program is to answer your questions and provide solutions for problems and requests as close to a real human as possible. At the middle of the screen, you can see a big text bar. This is the main place where you will start using ChatGPT. Here you can type any question you want and expect a proper answer. Before that, you might want to switch to the dark color mode if it is more convenient to you. Just click on your profile name and select Settings. Then from the theme menu, select the desired color. Let's start our journey by typing a simple question. Can you suggest for me some healthy food to eat? By asking a question, we entered into a new conversation with ChatGPT, which will try to write an answer. Please note that at the bottom of each answer, there is a thumbs up and thumbs down buttons. You can use those buttons to send feedback to the system, whether the answer is correct or not. So, the system will use users' feedback to improve the accuracy and efficiency of its answers. Now, if you are happy with the answer, but didn't like the overall style, you can ask ChatGPT to rephrase the answer by clicking on Try Again button. Please note that as a beginner, you don't have to worry about other modules for now. These options will be explained in advanced tutorials. Now, the system will produce you a similar answer, but with a different style and phrases. Moreover, since we are still in the same conversation, we can ask a follow-up question, such as, "Can you give me more suggestions?" The system will remember that we are in the topic related to healthy food. Therefore, it will continue answering within the scope of the relevant subject. You can start a new conversation topic by clicking on ChatGPT button at the top left. This will make ChatGPT to forget the previous conversation and assume that we are in a new topic. Now, in the new conversation, let's ask the same follow-up question again. As you can see, the system doesn't know what we mean by more suggestions because we are now in a completely new topic. We can go back to our previous conversation about healthy foods from the history panel on the left side and continue our questions related to healthy foods. That's all for this video. Of course, ChatGPT is much more than answering such simple questions. But as a beginner, we suggest that you try some examples similar to what you have learned in this video and get familiar with the system. If you have questions, write it down in the comments section, like and subscribe. More advanced tutorials will be added to this channel. And if you fully understood this video, then watch the next video about ChatGPT, which is for advanced users.